Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about selecting objects in the hierarchy for baking. So it's a nice to know thing. So we need an example. So I got here this sphere with this vertex paint, and I want to bake it to this sphere. So, but they are overlapping. So when I select both objects and I want to tap, I can only tap the high-res sphere. So here, finger tap, high-res. So it's not possible to select this one. So when I want to bake here, you see here in brackets, now it bakes from 11 objects. So I press here. And you see here, there are from the boxes here, the red lines, they are baked on the texture. So this is not my goal. So how to do this? Select here both objects and then activate the solo view. You see here all the other objects are grayed out. So, and then here, so this one is highlight and this one here is dark, and so yeah, here long press. So always long press on the dark one. So now your objects are here, all the objects here are grayed out, only the two spheres are active in solo view. So when I now bake the texture here from high res 1, so like this, I get a nice texture. Yeah. And yeah, the trick here is select the both and long press on the dark one. Yeah. Yeah, it's an important thing because the other way you have to here unhide all the other objects to get the same effect. So you see here all the other objects are grayed out, only this one here is visible. So yeah, it's the same effect, but without the hiding thing. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.